Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds TCL. And first let me show you touch controls, what located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have TCL name, this one is touch control. So, to call voice assistant, you need to press 3 times at the touch control at your left or right earbud. So let's check it. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just called Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. And also let's check the left one. 1, 2, 3. And it also works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!